Well, this is going pretty slow, you can say, at Gobra. It's Howrah-Haridwar Kumbha mail up 2369. Generally it's really goes fast past these kind of suburban stations out here, but this is pretty much slow. But yeah, it's good for us. Just got a lovely view of the trucking. I can just zoom in a bit and show you that. Oh wow, this is superb. And there she goes. So came to see this train after a long time, one of my favorite trains, and I'm very much happy to have witnessed that. It's the Kumbha Express.